In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a creator CRM in Glide. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your own Glide app and create a clean, useful view for managing creators. If you already have an app started, this process will help you organize that information into a dedicated section and make it easier to visualize key data. To begin, open your browser and go to Glide. Once the site loads, click Login and access your account. After you're inside Glide, open the app you want to edit. Make sure you're in the correct project before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple apps. Now, look to the left side panel. Click the plus Add option in Navigation. This is where you can create a new section in your app's navigation, which is perfect for adding a dedicated area for your creator's CRM. When prompted to choose a data source, select the Creators table. This connects the new navigation item directly to the creator data you want to display, so everything in that section will be based on that table. Next, choose a style using the right side panel. This affects how your creator records will appear in the app. Depending on your data and the kind of experience you want, you can choose the layout that feels the clearest and most useful. Take a moment here because the style you choose can make the CRM much easier to scan and work with. After that, go back to the left side panel and click plus Add component. From the list of components, add a chart component. This is a great way to bring your creator's CRM to life visually, especially if you want to track trends, compare values, or highlight performance at a glance. Once the chart is added, move over to the right side panel and edit the details. This is where you'll configure how the chart works and what information it displays. Be sure to review the settings carefully so the chart reflects the data you actually want to monitor. A clear chart can turn a basic list of creators into a much more insightful dashboard. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing makes your updates live so you can preview the finished result and confirm that your new Creator CRM section is working properly. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.